Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding keywords in Python, a comprehensive guide. Keywords play a crucial role in any programming language, including Python. They are reserved words that have special meanings and are used to define the syntax and structure of the code. In Python, there are 35 keywords, and understanding them is essential for writing efficient and error-free code. In this tutorial, we will explore each keyword in Python along with code examples to illustrate their usage. And, used for logical conjunction. As, used for aliasing while importing modules or specifying exception names. Assert, used for debugging purposes to assert a condition. Break, terminates the loop it is in. Class, used to define a class. Continue, skips the rest of the loop and continues with the next iteration. Def, used to define a function. Del, used to delete references to objects. Elif, short for else if, used for conditional branching. Else, used in conditional statements if the condition is false. Except, used in exception handling to catch exceptions. Finally, used in exception handling to execute code, regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. 4. Used for looping over iterable objects. From, used to import specific attributes or functions from a module. Global, used to declare that a variable is global. If, used for conditional branching. Import, used to import modules or specific attributes/functions from modules. In, used to test if a sequence contains a value. Is, used for identity testing. Lambda, used to create anonymous functions. Non-local, used to declare that a variable is not local to the current function. Not, used for logical negation. Or, used for logical disjunction. Pass, used as a placeholder where no action is required. Raise, used to raise exceptions. Return, used to return a value from a function. Try, used for exception handling. While, used to create a loop that executes a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. With, used to simplify exception handling by encapsulating common preparation and cleanup tasks. ChatGPT.